The kettlebell swing. Grab a kettlebell and stand over it with a wide stance. When we do the kettlebell swing, we focus on working the posterior chain. That's your hamstring, glutes, and low back. You're also working your core and a little bit of the shoulders when you're doing the swing. So first, I'll demonstrate a few reps. So as you saw, I keep a neutral spine when I bend. I bend at the hips and knees, and just enough of an angle, I would say 45 degrees, but that's hard to know when you're not seeing yourself in the mirror. So you can also go fingers touching my knees. So that's my correct angle in the bottom position. From here, I straighten knees and hips, just straight. I don't want to overcompensate by going too far. I stay straight. My hands are going to go eye level, ideally. Don't force it. If the first swings are a little lower, as you create more power from the hips, the kettlebell is going to rise. Going to eye level is called a Russian kettlebell swing. If you went all the way above the head, that's called an American swing. I don't like the American swing for most people because of shoulder impingement issues. You have your hands close together and they're going overhead, which could create that impingement. So for safety and to keep your shoulders healthy, we're going to stop at eye level. The other thing I want you to focus on is explosiveness in the hips when you're coming up and breathing out as the kettlebell is going upward and inhale on the way down. So that's a lot of stuff. So let's review it. Neutral spine, pop the hips, exhale. And floor. Now that I've covered the core of the exercise, which is the centerpiece, I want to talk about picking up and putting the kettlebell on the floor. From the start position, if you notice, I hinge, I'm in my right position, I pick up the kettlebell and then I go back so I can pop the hips and swing it. So from here, it's a safe setup. When I'm done, I'm going to let the kettlebell go back and floor. I don't try to go from up straight down. That method, what I just did, will create a lot of stress on my lower back. By letting the kettlebell go back and floor, again, I'm protecting my back, my spine, and I'm avoiding the possibility of any injuries. I hope you found this video super helpful. Please like and comment in the YouTube channel. And if you're part of my online training program and you have any questions, please send me a message with the training app.